Hey everyone! Are you ready to kickstart your tech career with one of the biggest names in the industry? Look no further than the Oracle Internship 2024. Oracle, headquartered in Austin, Texas, is a global leader in cloud computing and enterprise software. Oracle sells database software and cloud computing services. They offer a suite of enterprise software products like ERP, HCM, CRM, EPM, CX Commerce, and SCM software. Oracle believes in innovation through diverse perspectives. Their inclusive workforce thrives on diverse insights and backgrounds. Oracle careers open doors to global opportunities with a great work-life balance and a competitive suite of employee benefits, including flexible medical, life insurance, and retirement options. So, why choose the Oracle Internship 2024? Let me tell you why. First, it's open to all majors. Whether you're studying computer science, business, engineering, or humanities, Oracle values your skills and potential. Gain practical experience by working on real-world projects alongside industry experts. Develop in-demand skills in cloud computing, software development, data analysis, and project management. Expand your professional network by interacting with experienced professionals and fellow interns. And yes, you get paid. Earn a competitive stipend while gaining invaluable experience. Who can apply? Well, motivated and curious college students from any stream. If you have an eagerness to learn, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, and a passion for technology, Oracle wants you. Oracle offers a variety of internship opportunities across its diverse departments. Here are some examples. Product Development Internship. Assist with the development and testing of Oracle's industry-leading software products. Cloud Computing Internship. Gain hands-on experience with cloud technologies. Marketing Internship. Work alongside marketing experts to develop and execute campaigns. Data Analytics Internship. Utilize your analytical skills to generate insights for business decisions. Business Operations Internship. Contribute to the smooth functioning of Oracle's operations. Interested? You can apply for the Oracle Internship 2024 by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to jumpstart your tech career with Oracle. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching and good luck.